What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make an iPhone turn off or sleep after a certain time. So you can schedule your iPhone or iPad to shut down or restart automatically by creating an automation in the Shortcuts app. Firstly, launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap the Automation tab at the bottom, then tap New Automation. If you already have an automation, just tap plus first. Select time of the day as the trigger for the automation. Now choose the time you want your iPhone to shut down or restart. Then select how often it runs, like daily, weekly for specific days. Just set one immediately and turn off Notify when run. Then tap Next. Now on the action screen, tap New Blank Automation or Add Action and then search for Shutdown. Select Shutdown and then you'll see Shutdown this device. Just a tip, tap Shutdown if you want to change it to Restart instead. Just tap Done to save and activate your automation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.